Most people get this wrong when they hear about the Chime Credit Builder card. They assume it's just another credit card. But that's not really what makes this product interesting. Here's the truth no one tells you. The Chime Credit Builder card is designed primarily for people who want to build or strengthen their credit history, not maximize rewards or earn premium perks. In this video, you'll learn how the Chime Credit Builder card works in 2026, its biggest advantages, potential drawbacks, and whether it's actually worth using. Let's get straight into it. The Chime Credit Builder card is a secured credit building product linked to eligible Chime accounts. Instead of borrowing against a traditional credit limit, users generally spend money they've already moved into the credit builder account. That structure is one of the reasons many people find it easier to manage. For example, imagine Alex is trying to build credit, but worries about overspending with a traditional credit card. Since he can only spend funds that are already available in the account, it may help him stay within budget while building positive payment history. That's the main idea behind the product. But here's the problem. Many people expect a credit building card to instantly boost their credit score. This is where most people fail. Credit scores are influenced by multiple factors, including payment history, account age, credit mix, existing debt, and overall financial behavior. No card can guarantee a specific score increase. Building credit usually takes time and consistency. Now here's where it gets interesting. One of the biggest strengths of the Chime Credit Builder card is simplicity. Many traditional credit cards involve interest rates, revolving balances, and complicated terms that can confuse new users. The credit builder approach is often easier to understand because you're working primarily with funds you've already deposited. Let's look at another example. John recently started building credit and wants a straightforward system. Instead of worrying about carrying a balance or calculating interest charges, he focuses on responsible spending habits and consistent account activity. That's a small win that can make a big difference over time. In a minute, I'll show you who should probably skip this card. First, let's talk about what it doesn't offer. If you're looking for premium travel rewards, luxury perks, or large cashback programs, this probably isn't the product you're searching for. Its main purpose is credit building, not rewards optimization. Now, here's the key question. Are you trying to build credit, or are you trying to maximize credit card benefits? If your goal is improving or establishing credit history, the Chime Credit Builder card may be worth considering. If you already have strong credit and want premium rewards, there may be better options available. The bottom line is simple. The Chime Credit Builder card can be a useful tool for people focused on building credit through consistent financial habits. Its biggest strength is simplicity, not flashy features. If you found this honest review helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more personal finance reviews, and let me know in the comments whether you've tried the Chime Credit Builder card and what your experience has been.